Ever wonder why your money seems to vanish every month, even when you're earning enough? The truth is, most people don't really have a spending problem. They have a budgeting problem. In today's video, I'll show you the 50-30-20 rule, one of the simplest budgeting systems you can start using right now to take control of your money, pay your bills stress-free, and still save for the future. The 50-30-20 rule is a straightforward formula for managing your income. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, which are essentials like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and minimum debt payments. Then, 30% is set aside for wants. This is your fun money for things like dining out, Netflix, shopping, hobbies, or travel. The final 20% goes towards savings and debt repayment, which could mean building your emergency fund, contributing to retirement, investing, or paying off loans faster. What makes this system so powerful is its simplicity. You don't need a complicated spreadsheet to get started. You just divide your income into 3 clear categories. Let's look at an example. If you earn $2,000 a month after taxes, the 50-30-20 rule would break down like this. $1,000 goes to needs, $600 to wants, and $400 to savings or debt repayment. Even if your income is higher or lower, the percentages stay the same. The goal is balance. You cover your essentials, enjoy life now, and still build your future. The reason this rule works so well is because it's realistic. Many people either save nothing at all, or they go to the extreme of cutting out everything fun, and neither approach is sustainable. The 50-30-20 rule strikes a healthy balance. You can still enjoy the things you love, but you're also protecting yourself financially. Plus, it's flexible. If you're focused on paying off debt aggressively, you can tweak it to 50-20-30, which means cutting back on wants and putting more toward debt repayment. The formula adapts to your goals and lifestyle. Here are a few tips to make this rule work better for you. First, track your spending for at least a month. You can use a free app like Mint or simply a notebook. You'll be surprised at where your money really goes. Second, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer so that 20% goes directly into your savings or investment account before you even have the chance to spend it. And third, review your budget every few months. As your income grows or your expenses change, adjust the numbers. A new job, a move to a cheaper city, or even a big life change can shift your budget completely. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making consistent progress. So, if you've been feeling stuck with your finances, try the 50-30-20 rule. It's simple, flexible, and one of the easiest ways to start building financial freedom. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more personal finance tips, and let me know in the comments. Do you think the 50-30-20 rule would work for your lifestyle, or would you adjust the percentages? Remember, money is a tool. Use it wisely, and it can help you build the life you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.